Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Delighted to offer you this absolutely amazing find. It really is an absolutely gorgeous car, bought direct from the one private owner who really has cherished the car. It is amazing. It's a Peugeot 208 GTI by Peugeotsport. It's a limited edition, featuring this gorgeous satin white pearl. Beautiful car. Raced in September 2018 on a 68 plate. We are led to believe this could be the only 68 plate 208 GTI Special Edition. That's from what we've been told. The rest were all registered on the 18 plate, so this makes it a very unique car. It is absolutely gorgeous. The car is almost like brand new. It really is incredible. So pleased to get my hands on it. Let's take you all the way around. 208 brake horsepower, little pocket rocket, rear parking sensors, GTI, there we go. Twin exit exhaust, shining away nice and chrome. Great boot on it, nice and clean, not being abused anyway. Split folding rear seats, no marks at all on the loading area there. It is just an amazing car. It really is absolutely gorgeous all the way around. The factory matte finish wheels, all of them totally unmarked, in great condition. As I mentioned, this car is like brand new. There's no dents, there's no scratches, scuffs, marks anywhere at all. The red callipers just finished off. Again, all the front. Not a mark anywhere on the vehicle. It is just absolutely stunning. Just wait till you see the inside of it. Just to make it authentic there, Peugeotsport. Rear privacy glass. Beautiful inside. Just look at these front seats now. Wow, they really are just wow. The attention to detail, the red stitching, it's a leather Alcantara trim. Absolutely love the seats, they really do hug you in. Look at those gorgeous red carpets. It just sets the car just nicely. Attention to detail there. Again, the red stitching on the dashboard there. This one also had the upgraded satellite navigation. Mileage of just 6922 miles. That's what it's done, 6922 miles. Parking sensors with a display on the dashboard of the vehicle. Dual zone climate control. All this is all touchscreen, which is just great. Easy to navigate round. Stereo, DAB, Bluetooth connection. So easy. 6-speed manual gearbox. And it's got this absolutely gorgeous flat bottom sport steering wheel. Again, all the stereo controls, everything all on there. The car's also got cruise control just down there. What a gorgeous car. This really is an amazing find. So pleased to have got my hands on it. Still under the Peugeot manufacturer's warranty. It also has a service plan on it. This is a very rare car to own. If you want it, give us a call. Part exchange welcome. Finance arranged direct from ourselves. Use our finance calculator to work out low deposits, nil deposits, HP or PCP deals, whichever suits you best. Here to help you and make buying and selling a car a very simple, easy process. Read about our raving fans review and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. So there we have it. Any further details? 01782 822 700. Alternatively, you can buy this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.